system. In education system, the biggest problem is one human being coming and telling another human being, how many times I should tell you? Still you have not understood that. That's the worst thing in an education system.
This is a question from GATE 2005. The question is, the time variation of the position of a particle in rectilinear motion is given by x is equal to 2t cube, this is 2t cube plus t square plus 2t. Okay, if v, that is velocity, and the acceleration, that is a, of the particle is consistent unit, the motion started with, here the options are v is equal to 0, a is equal to 0, v is equal to 0, a is equal to 2, and then the third option is v is equal to 2, a is equal to 0, and the last option it is v is equal to t, 2, and a is equal to 2. Correct? So this is a question which is given. So from here it is very clear. If you underline this part, rectilinear, there is a discussion of x, there is a discussion of v, and here there is a discussion of what? Rectilinear particle, about a particle. So this question is from where? This question is from kinematics of particles. Correct or not? So since it is from kinematics of particle, how can we understand this? See here, x is given here. Question is asking what will be the motion, what will be the time variation, right? Time variation of the particle is consistent. Particle is consistent. The word, the sentence to be understood or underscored is point to be consistent. Point to be consistent means what? A particle should not move. A particle will not move, so it have to be clearly understood. A particle will only be consistent when a particle is not moving. When a particle is not moving, it means what? The particle is not discovering any distance. When a particle is not discovering any distance, so obviously it is not consuming time. So we have to basically find, what question is telling, we have to find the value of v as well as the value of a at time is equal to 0 seconds. That is what question is indirectly asking. So what we can write here, we have the value of x, correct? What it is? 2t cube plus t square plus t2. That is, x is given as 2t cube plus t square plus 2t, right? We know the value of x. We have to find what? We have to find v and a at t is equal to 0. Anyway, this is given. So v, what is v? V is nothing but the change in distance with respect to the change in time, that is d by dt. In place of x, I can write it this 2t cube plus t square plus 2t. right? So from here, the differentiation of 2t will be what? 6t square plus 2t plus 2. Similarly, a will be what? Change in velocity with respect to time, that is d by dt. V is what? 6t square plus 2t plus 2. So this will be 12t plus 2, correct? Now we got the value that this is what? This is V for time period t. This is A for time period again t. But here we need to find what? A time period is equal to 0, that is V at t is equal to 0. In that case, put the value of t 0. So this will be 0, this will be 0 plus 2. We get it what? 2. Similarly here, A, you put it at t is equal to 0. So 12 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 2. So here also we get it 2. So A value is how much? 2, and V value is how much? 2. So which option we can see here? We can find only one option, that is option D. V is equal to 2, A is equal to 2. So that is how we can solve kinematics of particle.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.